Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen, like so. And this will show you a bunch of toggles right here. Now for me, the battery saver is visible on the first page right here as the last toggle, but if you don't see it on this page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you a secondary page. Once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It turns orangish, and also the battery filling will have the same kind of color, so you know that the actual mode is right now enabled. Now, that being said, there is probably a couple things that will change in the way that your device functions. So one, your high refresh rate display will be now capped at 60, and the other one, probably more important one, will be that Wi-Fi and mobile data might, I'm not exactly sure if it's doing that, haven't used this device for long enough to figure it out, but most devices do this, so I assume here it's going to be the same. So it might turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode. This would be considered sleep mode, at least after a couple minutes. So after a couple minutes of inactivity, it will go to sleep mode, turn off Wi-Fi, mobile data to preserve battery. And because of that, you will experience that your notifications will be delayed. So they might be being delivered to you in intervals of like half an hour or so, when the device just reconnects to network, checks if it's missing something, and then again turns it off. And obviously once you unlock the device yourself, it will automatically reconnect and check for everything that it's missing. But I'm mentioning this because for some people this might be a deal breaker when they are relying on notifications being delivered on time, and this obviously would change that. So once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle, tapping on it once more, and as you can see, it's now off and everything will go back to functioning as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.